Hello, good afternoon to all of you guys. Good afternoon to you here in Minnesota, sorry. But they're early in the morning, like 3 o'clock in the morning there guys. So, in the Philippines. So, good afternoon to you and then to all of you here in Minnesota and good morning in the Philippines. So guys, gagawa tayo ng spring roll today. So, I'll show you how to make a spring roll guys. So, ayan. So, na-ready ko na to talaga yung ko inahalo dito yung meron tong carrots, at meron tong garlic, onion, at saka black pepper, at saka carrots, at saka ground pork guys. So ito hinahalo-halo na natin lahat dito guys. Tapos nilagyan ko to ng egg guys, at saka red bell pepper. Yan pinaka-perfect talaga. Onion, garlic, black pepper, at saka meron tong bitsin guys. Hindi pwede walang bitsin. At saka linagyan ko to ng soy sauce. At saka linagyan ko to ng red bell pepper. At saka may carrots to guys. Ayan, tingnan nyo. May carrots at saka yung ground pork guys. Ayan. So, ito yung gagawin natin guys kasi para may spring roll tayo mamaya. Ayan. So, wala tayong magagawa dito guys. So, nag-make lang ako talaga ng video sa inyo para i-show ko sa inyo na kung anong mga ginagawa ko dito at saka anong kakainin ko dito guys. So, ito yung kakainin natin, spring rolls. Ayan. So, nandito na talaga yung lahat-lahat guys. Ayan, may carrots yan, may egg, may black pepper, red bell pepper, onion, garlic, at saka nilagyan ko ng punting sugar guys, at saka nilagyan ko ng ano pa dito, ayan, lahat yun yung mga nilagay ko dito para lalong sumasarap. Bitsin guys, nilagyan ko ng bitsin. Ayan, so parang gusto ko pang lagyan ng kunting black pepper yan guys. Ayan, lagyan natin ng black pepper. Ito ng black pepper para lalong sumasarap guys. See? Sarap. Sarap kaya nito pag natapos ito guys. Ayan. Tapos lagyan pa natin ng huli guys. Ayan. Ito yung Morton guys. Ayan, meron na yung onion at saka garlic. Ayan. Lagyan kong kaunti guys para lang masarap yan. Diba? Tapos yan natin yan guys. Ayan. I-mix natin lahat-lahat guys. Ayan. So mix natin to. Ayan. Mix natin guys. Ayan. Kanina ko pa to ginawa. Ayan. So ito yung ulam natin guys. Pungos. Napakasarap yan. Very delicious. This is my food for today. Spring roll guys. I put an onion here, garlic, black pepper, at saka carrots and the ground pork guys. So I mix all the ingredients here. Yan. So, sasarap talaga. Sasarap kaya to guys. Napakasarap kaya to. Tapos guys, ito yung natin, yung wrapper natin, yung i-wrap natin guys. Ito Spring Home, yung brand niya guys. TYG Spring Roll Pastry yan. So, ito binili ko to sa Asian store sa what is that? Empire Food, yeah, here in Minnesota. So, yeah. And then, we need to have an egg, this one guys. In here, in the bowl. Diba? Kasi scramble natin yung guys. Ayan. Kasi pag mag-roll tayo sa spring roll na natin, tap na natin ito guys para ma-close natin yung natin wrapper natin guys. Ito yung pang-close natin guys, yung egg. Ayan. Tapos, ito na yung gagawin natin guys. Ayan. Ayan. Gagawa na tayo ng yung spring roll.